Do you know how it feels to spend $750 at Costco? Imagine a whole cart full of groceries, electronics, and everything for the family, absolutely free. Today I'm going to show you how to win this $750 Costco gift card, absolutely free. Listen, I know you're thinking this is another scam. But wait, thousands of people in America have already taken advantage of this offer. Sarah got her card last week from New York, and she says it covered her family's groceries for an entire month. The question is, why is Costco giving away these huge gift cards? The answer is simple. They want to attract new customers and gather feedback about their products. It's part of a marketing strategy, and you can take advantage of it right now. Do you know what you can buy at Costco for $750? 3 months of groceries, a new TV, or Christmas gifts for the whole family. Imagine, would you miss this opportunity to put a smile on your family's faces? Now the question is, how do you get this gift card? Listen carefully because the process is incredibly easy. It only takes 3 steps and only 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, only 5 minutes. First step, go to the comment box. There you'll find the official link. This link is secure and verified, so don't worry. Remember, only use the link in the comment box. Don't click from anywhere else. Second step, after clicking on the link, you'll have to answer some simple questions. For example, how often do you shop at Costco? What is your favorite product? These are just for collecting feedback. No personal information is asked. The third and final step, complete the registration with your email address. That's it. You will then be automatically entered into the draw for a $750 Costco gift card. How easy, right? You might be wondering, what are the chances of winning? Listen, 100 lucky winners are selected every day. Yes, you heard that right, 100 every day. That means your chances are much higher than you think. Michael from Texas won last month. He said he couldn't believe it when he got the confirmation in his email. He used the money to buy tools from Costco to renovate his entire basement. Now you might be wondering, is this just for new members? No. It doesn't matter if you're already a Costco member or not. Everyone is eligible for this offer. Even if you've never been to Costco, you can still apply. But listen, there's a catch. This offer is for a limited time. Those who apply by midnight tonight will get double entry. That means your chances of winning will double. Just think, what a great opportunity. Do you know why people love Costco so much? Because you can save hundreds of dollars every month by buying bulk items there. And if you get $750 free, that's no joke. It's a total game changer. Ask yourself, how would you feel if you missed out on this offer? How would you feel next week when your friend or neighbor tells you they won? Can you handle that regret? Linda from California shared that she thought it was a waste of time at first. But when she won, she said it was the best 5 minutes of her entire year. She used the money to buy holiday gifts for the whole family. Now, let's get to the real point. You don't have to give any credit card. You don't have to make any payment. It's completely free. If anyone asks you for payment, then it's a scam. Use the official link in the comment box. Stay safe. Think about it. What would you do with that $750? A new laptop? A special dinner prep for the family? Or that 85-inch TV you've been eyeing? The possibilities are endless. And this dream can come true in just a few clicks. You know what's the best part? Even if you don't win once, you can apply again in the following months. But don't miss this month's special double entry offer. This opportunity only comes once a year. So why delay? Go to the comment box now, click on the official link, and complete the registration in just 5 minutes. Remember, if you apply before 12 midnight tonight, you get a double chance. Thousands of Americans have already won. Now it's your turn. Lastly, if you're still hesitating, ask yourself, what's there to lose? Nothing. But the chances of winning? $750. So, without further ado, check out the link in the comment box now. Your lucky day could be today. Good luck. You will find the official link in the comment box. Use only that link.